Hi everyone, I'm a little late on this video, so my apologies. I can't believe it. The channel actually hit 1,000 subs just before my wife and I went on vacation a short time ago. So for those of you that subscribe, thank you for being part of the first 1,000. Currently the channel has over 1,400 subscribers. You guys have no idea what that means to me. I also wanted to apologize for the lack of content over the last several weeks. I've been working through some personal things, but ready to get back on track. My goal is to produce content more consistently, so thanks to all of you that have been patient and subscribed to this channel. Help me work towards that goal. I'm getting there, but still a ways to go. Speaking of goals, the goal of this channel is to help you, the creator, business, or equipment owner struggling with artwork or a file or trying to decide what type of piece of equipment best fits your needs. If you have a media question or an opinion on a piece of equipment, or struggling with some software or a file question, reach out via the email link below and I'll do my best to help you out. Going forward, my goal is to help by bringing you industry news, trending items, new processes, equipment and software reviews, deep dives on equipment or existing equipment, media reviews and different applications for media, software how-tos, new features in design and RIP software, and different tools and apps to help you get things done and be more productive. Let's not forget about sales and marketing, business coaching and advice. Whatever it may be, I'm here to help you succeed. I'm working towards making this a full-time job, so I can bring you the most up-to-date industry-related content while helping you grow, but I need your help. I use a software called vidIQ. It's an analytics software I use for the channel to help determine what content is working. Recently, they sent me a congratulations email for 100,000 views on this channel. I'm really thankful for that many views. It was actually mind-blowing considering 1,000 subscribers, but 100 times more than that people are watching. I had no idea. Please make sure you subscribe so you get notified when I upload new content. The likes, subscribers, and comments help me determine what you, the viewers, want to see more of. While we're on that subject, I want to talk briefly about the equipment reviews. I subscribe to a service that costs thousands of dollars per year that allows me to get all of the information I can on equipment like speed, color, comparisons, awards won, and other info that may not be published. So I have more details I can share. Do you care if a printer has won an award? I have been considering a more detailed video on specific equipment. Are there things that you want to know more about equipment? Do you want to see more in-depth equipment reviews on a single printer? If so, let me know in the comments below. There's something new you should check out. Based on YouTube suggestions, I started using the community tab. Not sure if everyone is familiar with it, so here's where it can be found. I will start sharing it more frequently to post polls and other information. It's a great way to interact with other subscribers and build an online community. I plan to keep using it to interact with the community, so make sure to check back on a regular basis. I was thinking of different ways that I could help companies like yours and was considering going live for say an hour weekly with a simple Q&A session. Let me know if you'd be interested in any of these and if you would participate. Also, let me know if there's any other way that you struggle in business that I may be able to help. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.